Anki versus RemNote comparison. Best study app for notes and flashcards. If you're trying to improve your study workflow, stay organized, and actually remember what you learn, two apps consistently rise to the top: Anki and RemNote. While both focus on spaced repetition, the scientifically proven method for long-term memory, they take very different approaches. Anki is known for its simple but powerful flashcard system, while RemNote blends notes and flashcards into one all-in-one learning environment. If you're deciding which one fits your study style, this breakdown will help you choose the best app for boosting your learning efficiency. Anki is the classic powerhouse of spaced repetition flashcards. It's lightweight, open source, and gives you full control over how your decks look, feel, and work. Its strength lies in customization, from card templates to add-ons to syncing across devices, making it a favorite for students in medicine, language learning, law, and more. Why users like it: extremely flexible and customizable card creation, massive library of pre-made decks, spaced repetition algorithm that's accurate and time-tested, works offline and syncs across devices, hundreds of community add-ons to extend functionality. However, Anki has a learning curve. The interface feels outdated to some, and building complex cards takes time. But for learners who want precision and complete control, it's unmatched. Best for students who want a powerful, highly customizable flashcard system with long-term efficiency. RemNote combines note-taking, outlining, and flashcards into one platform. Instead of creating notes in one app and transferring flashcards to another, RemNote lets you generate flashcards directly from your notes with a single click. This makes it ideal for learners who value a smooth, integrated workflow. Why users like it: notes and flashcards live in the same system. Auto-generated flashcards from your notes, built-in spaced repetition. Clean, modern interface with backlinks and knowledge graphs. Great for understanding complex topics and building connections. The downside? RemNote is more structured and opinionated. If you prefer a simple flashcard-only tool, Anki may feel faster. Some advanced features are behind a subscription, and export options can feel limited compared to Anki's open ecosystem. Best for students who want an integrated note-taking and flashcard experience in a single organized workspace. When comparing Anki and RemNote, your choice depends on how you study. Anki is perfect for learners who want maximum customization and efficiency. It shines when you need large, high-quality decks, especially for subjects like medicine, languages, or exams requiring heavy memorization. RemNote, on the other hand, is ideal if you prefer taking structured notes and generating flashcards as you learn. It's a more unified, user-friendly system that helps you stay organized while still using spaced repetition. In short, Anki is a precise tool built for mastery, while RemNote is a complete learning environment designed for understanding, organization, and recall working together. Final thoughts: if you want the most powerful flashcard tool with limitless customization, Anki is the winner. If you want an all-in-one study system that combines notes and flashcards seamlessly, RemNote is the better choice. Bottom line, Anki gives you maximum efficiency and customization. RemNote gives you integrated learning and organization. Both are excellent tools for smarter studying. Your ideal choice depends on whether you want pure flashcards or a full note-to-flashcard workflow.